A very good morning to all the class 10 students. I am back once again and we were discussing the chapter political parties. I told you what are political parties, what is the importance of political parties, and what are the functions of political parties. Now we are going to discuss the various ways of classifying the political system and the political parties. Means how are political parties classified? Means how many types of political party system are there and how many types of political parties are there. Again, I am making it very clear. I am talking about the types of political parties, not different political parties. Different political parties will be discussed later. I am talking about the different types of political party system in the world. So, party system could be of divided into three major things which I am going to tell you today. First is that parties could be divided on the unity, means single party system, multi party system, or double party system. सिंगल पार्टी यानी यूनी पार्टी सिस्टम, डुअल यानी टू पार्टी सिस्टम, and multi-party system where more than two parties can also contest. This is on the basis of participation or the political parties. Now on the basis of area, like in India, India has 31 states now. On the basis of area, there could be a national party and a state party. National party is a party that has a national presence, means people vote for that party in many of the states. It is either in the position of making the government in different states, or it is in the position of opposition, or it is in the position of winning some seats, or a certain percentage of vote is polled to that political parties like Indian National Congress, BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party, BSP, the CPI. These parties, Communist Party of India, CPI, these parties are called national parties because they are in the whole country. They contest election in the whole country and they get a fixed percentage of vote that categorizes them into a national party. एक फिक्स परसेंटेज ऑफ वोट पड़ता है इन पार्टीज को, जिससे पता चलता है कि इनके वोटर पूरे देश में हैं, इसीलिए ये नेशनल पार्टी कहते हैं. सेकेंड पार्टी क्या होता है? ये स्टेट पार्टी और अ लोकल पार्टी और अ रीजनल पार्टी, लाइक समाजवादी पार्टी, लाइक अकाली दल. अकाली दल is a party of Punjab. Samajwadi Party is a party of Uttar Pradesh. DMK is a party of Tamil Nadu. These are local parties. Shiv Sena, it is a party of Maharashtra. These parties contest only in specific areas. That is why these parties are called as local parties. And third categorization of the party is the basis on the ideology that a party has. There are parties who follow the principles of Karl Marx, socialism. These parties are called left parties, like Communist Party. They follow the principles of communist. That is why they are called left parties. Communist Party of India, is an example of left parties. ठीक है, सिर्फ कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी ऑफ इंडिया, मार्क्सिस्ट, द फॉरवर्ड ब्लॉक, द आरपीआई, these are all Republican Party of India, RPI, which I am taking name. These are the left parties. Again, there are rightist parties like BJP that focuses on the principles of Hinduism, is a rightist party. And then is a centrist party that is neither left nor right. It focuses on the whole country, all the sections of the society, like Indian National Congress, that is a centrist party. Okay, so on the basis of ideology we divide the party. We divide the party on the basis of influence, and we divide the party on the basis of uniparty, two party and multi-party system. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now let's move further and check that what is a uniparty system. A uniparty system is a system where only one party fights the election. अब एक ही पार्टी है तो वो इलेक्शन क्या होगा, वो एक ही पार्टी की गवर्नमेंट रहती है वहाँ, उस पार्टी के खिलाफ कोई वोट नहीं कर सकता, उस पार्टी के खिलाफ कोई चुनाव नहीं लड़ सकता. सो इट इज़ अ सॉर्ट ऑफ यूनिपार्टी सिस्टम, और इट इज़ अ सॉर्ट ऑफ, कहते हैं पार्टी मोनार्की. पार्टी मोनार्की कैसे? मोनार्की में एक ही किंग होता था, एक ही परिवार का आदमी होता था, किंगशिप. उसी तरीके से जब एक ही पार्टी है तो बात तो वही हो गई, इलेक्शन एक ही पार्टी को लड़ना है, उसी को जीत जाना है. सो इन अ यूनिपार्टी सिस्टम देयर इज वन पार्टी, देयर इज नो कॉम्पिटिशन इन द सिस्टम, एंड पीपल डू नॉट हैव द चॉइस इन द इलेक्शन. अब कोई चॉइस ही नहीं है, एक ही पार्टी है, उसी को वोट पड़ जाना है, उसी की सरकार बार बार बन जानी है. So there are two parties. In some countries there is two party system.